How to add two videos in Canva. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to join two videos together using the Canva. It's super simple editing tutorial, so now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and head over to the canva.com, and here make sure that you're logged in with your account. And here, once you see the interface like this, simply click on the video option from the home page. And as soon as you do that, you'll land on the video editing page. Now here, while it's loading, if you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides. Alright, once the editor is open, you'll see the video timeline at the bottom. Now to add a video, you can go to the upload section and upload your own clip from your computer, but for this tutorial, I'm going to use one of our Canva free video templates. So just head over to the templates and choose a free one you like. For this video, I'll pick this one. And then just click and drag the clip to the timeline. And now to add another video, just click and drag to the timeline just you have done before. And boom, the second video is now added. So as you can see, I can keep on adding the video like this. And if I press play now, you will see both of the videos play one after the other automatically join. Canva does it for you, so no need to manually merge them. And if you want to change the order, you can just click and drag the clips around in the timeline. For example, I want this video to play at first, so I can just drag it before to the first one, and that's it. So yeah, that's how easy it is to join two videos on Canva. Just keep adding clips and Canva will stitch them together automatically. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.